It's better to walk away from a deal where you're not going to make any money ultimately out of it. You're right. Business is designed to make an income. It's designed to be so that the people that are buying something are benefiting, and it's designed so that the people that are selling it are benefiting. It's designed so that it's a win-win. And if it can't be a win for you and it can't be a win for them, then you should walk away from the deal. If it's a big win for you and it's a loss for them,
yeah,
that's the last deal you're doing with them.
Yeah.
It should be a win for everybody. And then you have repeat customers. You have people that will continue to do business with you which is why you've been in business as long as you have. People have done well with the projects that they've invested in with you. They've made money. You've made money making them and running them, and everybody wins. It's the problem is when somebody isn't winning, that it's not good. And in their situation where the person changes the guarantor, or wants to change the guarantor, that's a symptom of a problem, right? You recognize that. That's not the problem. The problem is that something else is going on. It's very much like, you have a very sore left arm, and you get in there with a doctor and they try to fix it. They put a cast on it and everything, but it's not your left arm. It's the fact that you're having a heart attack. The real issue is you're having a heart attack, but you're trying to fix the arm. You can't fix the symptom. You have to fix the problem. And so you recognize that there's something going on there. And at the end of the day, you have to make a decision, and basically you walk away from the deal.